Sexual problems in a marriage can have big consequences for the couple and for their children and maybe even the extended family. There are some cultural aspects that makes us uneasy about talking about sexual problems, but they're real and a lot of people are suffering from them. It's having consequences, and people tend to maybe speak to anyone to get some advice, somebody they trust, and that advice might be working and it may not be working. First and foremost, before we try to deal with sexual problems, we need to understand what could be the cause of that problem that the couple is facing. There are many reasons. It could be some deficiencies. If you have vitamin D deficiency, it can lead to sexual problems in men and women. If you're suffering from depression, if you're hypothyroid, if you're taking medications, it can cause you to develop erectile dysfunction. It can cause you to develop impotence. A lot of medicines can also reduce the sex drive, the libido in women and men. So before we really talk about treatment of sexual dysfunction, it's very important we try to address the underlying causes of the condition that the couple is facing. And if you notice, I'm saying couple because quite a few situations, it's not just a matter of one person. It can be, but it could be it's the dynamic between the couple that is causing the development of sexual dysfunction. And how the couple deal with it, how the other partner deals with it, can also further impact or maybe improve or maybe worsen the condition. So if you're suffering from sexual issues in your relationship, in your marriage, it's affecting the quality of life, you can speak to us and we'll try to work together to find out what is at play in your situation. What factors do we need to look into? Is it a lifestyle matter? Is it medicines? Is it your depression? Is it your hormonal changes? Is it maybe something between the two of you that is causing the issue? Is it physical? Is it psychological? Is it a natural development? Is it a reaction to maybe some great loss or something, or great stress or trauma in your life? We'll try to work together, and it's a process. There are different treatment modalities that can be applied apart from trying to find out the cause. According to that investigation, we'll try to work out what would be the right way to deal with your problem. Does it need to be in a couples setting? Does it need to be in an individual setting? That is also something we'll try to address so that you get a more full, holistic approach to your problem and we don't see it as something super isolated. Anyhow, if you're suffering from sexual dysfunction, impotence, decreased sex drive, erectile dysfunction, if you are suffering from maybe tightness, looseness, if your penis size is too small, if you feel there are things you need us to help you with, you're welcome to speak to us and we'll guide you through this jungle.